Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome to another Carib Fusion video. No, as in a no, I'm Mavado say progress, and recently it's come out that he is about to start a new clothing line with Toronto based, I guess you can call them Apparel custom designers called Ghost Label. Now Mavado's been using or been wearing their clothes for a while, especially in his video for Big League. Most of the clothes that he wore within that video was actually from Ghost Label itself. So on his Instagram he previewed some of what the clothes might look like. This is also interesting is that it's not just adult clothes that he'll probably be doing. DJ Khalid recently put a picture on his Instagram showing his son wearing the Gully type, Gully motif on his I guess it's the baby's tunic. So I don't know if that was just a promotional stunt or actually if he's going to be going into baby apparel as well. That would be interesting because people always have they'll have a kids line and they'll have adult range, but never a baby line. So that might be something and a new direction for dancehall and for Mavado himself. Well, not much information has been given about the clothing line as yet, but We The Best, they have their online distributors already. So since Mavado is signed to We The Best, it could be a situation where his line could be exclusive to We The Best and then people just buy it from there, or they might just put it as a feature line within the Ghost label itself, and then take it from there. But at the moment there's not much information given. So I'm just going to show you some of the things or some of the clothes that Ghost Label tend to go for. As you can see, it's very flashy. It's very much hip-hop, I guess. It's very clean in some ways or another. So it would be nice to see how they would put the Mavado touch on this and kind of twist it more into dancehall. All in all, I'm really excited to see this as a move. I love see progress, I love see people that try, and yeah, it will be a good look for both Ghost Label, which is completely well established already, but also for Mavado, what I'm saying, putting to the forefront a brand that he actually wears quite a bit and enjoys. So that's it. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. As it becomes more apparent what's going on with the brand, and I'll keep you guys up to date. But for now, I just want to let you guys know what is going on with the artist, okay? And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.